Welcome to the first in a series of instructional videos explaining how to successfully install and commission the SolarEdge outdoor commercial storage system. This video shows you how to safely unpack and mount the CSS battery cabinet and its inverter. The cabinet can be mounted either on a mounting stand or directly on a concrete pad. For information on all mounting requirements, refer to the quick installation guide. Start by preparing these installation tools. For your safety, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Also, ensure minimum layout and clearance distances between the cabinet and other objects. Before moving the cabinet enclosure, let's review important forklift requirements. Make sure the forklift can carry a weight of at least 5 tons. The forklift blades should be at least 110 centimeters long and up to 15 centimeters wide. Position the blades 60 centimeters from each other. When transporting the cabinet enclosure to the mounting stand, place an object that separates between the enclosure and the forklift load backrest. Use a flathead screwdriver to unbuckle and remove the top panel of the wooden enclosure. Unbuckle and remove the 4 side panels of the enclosure. Refer to the quick installation guide to verify all listed items are included in the delivery. Using a 19mm wrench and a socket wrench, undo the bolts holding the battery cabinet to its floor pallet. Undo the bolts and remove the front and back base brackets from the cabinet. Lift the cabinet halfway up and carefully maneuver the cabinet to the mounting stand. Gently lower the battery cabinet onto the stand. Make sure that the holes in battery cabinet brackets line up with the holes in the mounting stand. Secure the cabinet to the mounting stand using 4 bolts. Open the inverter box and remove all the supplied parts. Make sure that all parts are provided as detailed in the quick installation guide. Take out the cable duct from the accessory box inside the battery cabinet package and remove all the lids from the duct. Attach the cable duct to the side of the battery cabinet using the 8 screws. Now, position the inverter mounting bracket to the side panel. Make sure that the bracket is fitted so that the holes of the side lock screw are at the bottom. Use a 17mm wrench to secure the 4 bolts to the cabinet. Lift the inverter onto the stand. Make sure the inverter is securely mounted on its bracket before letting go of the inverter. Secure the inverter to its bracket with the 2 lock screws. Remove the cover plate from the bottom of the battery cabinet to enable cable access. That's it. The SolarEdge commercial storage system is now successfully mounted. Join us for the next video in this series, where we will guide you through the wiring process.